have to understand the concept of candles, because candles itself reflect the price. So if we don't know what is the meaning of each candle, we are never going to be comfortable in terms of trading. So for that we have to understand each candle. I only said two things: each candle you have to understand, and the place where it is appearing. What is the history of that candle? You have to go through that thing, and then you will be able to understand. So last time we talked about Marubozu candle, single candle. Okay. Now today we will discuss about engulfing. So first of all anyone saying something?
Mukesh, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, actually somebody had shared on the group this all pattern indicator,
Okay.
which shows us the bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing.
Okay.
And I've been actually trying to track that based on what you have taught us, also the Marubozu candle.
Okay.
So I guess both are the same, right? But only thing is I realized not all bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing work.
Yes, that is the key. That is the key. That is the key, that where this we should consider that candle and where we should ignore that. Guys, please mute yourself if you are talking. Okay, thank you. So ma'am, I was just saying that we have to understand which candle we should work, I mean which candle we should accept and which candle we should ignore. That is the key for the success. Because if you see over here also, in this scenario also, if you see this candle, first candle, this is Marubozu, this is Marubozu, this is Marubozu, this is Marubozu, again this is Marubozu, but everything is kind of Marubozu. But before that we have to understand which one we should consider and which one we should ignore. If we understand this, 60-70% work is done. And to understand that thing, we have to see the past, that is the history, from where this candle is appearing. What is the story of for this candle? So assume if we are considering this candle also, just a second, consider this over here also. This is a Nifty chart, 1-day chart. Okay, so if we consider this candle, this is appearing, but after what it is appearing, if you see carefully, this is the level which got broken. From here it broke, so this has a space of this much price which is already crossed. Now after crossing this, if you see somewhere here this price is appearing, what will happen before completing this chart also? What you will understand that, see, these are everyone here have some stop loss. These all sellers have some stop loss, and all those stop loss are triggered over here. Because of that stop loss, there is a huge rally coming on toward opposite side. Correct? So in this way we can go definitely for uptrend. I generally used to post my YouTube videos for stock analysis every day, and I used to post to all of you also, but I don't know how many of you see that. On 10th, let me prove that. On 10th of this month, I posted a video about AU Bank. Let's discuss that thing and try to understand what has happened. This was the candle. You guys can go and see that. But let me explain you why I said that this is about to go upside. Hello. Okay, so let me explain you why this has happened over here. First, I am converting this into line chart. If you see this carefully, see this is the pattern. Till here we were waiting, and over here if you see this carefully, this is already a kind of W. You can see this is the level where market sustained itself and it didn't went further. Now if we consider this candle, this green one. Okay, let me replay this. Let me replace this. Now you see this, I'm converting into line. What everyone can see. Can you guys see a W? We can see W. So what are the things can happen? See, this is the logic behind trading. We have to understand. See this. Very good volume of buying. Okay. W pattern. Double bottom. We can also consider as double bottom in short time span. If this stock wanted to go down, it would have gone. But it didn't went downside. Why? Let's see. Let's understand. Is there anyone still? See, people are late. Already 13 minutes. Anyways, so if we consider now, ma'am, see this, and I'll answer your this question that which one we should consider and which one we should not consider. So for example, over here now, why we should consider this? So see carefully. This was the first attempt of buyers. This candle itself got how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Almost 7 candles are inside this green candle. Correct me if I am wrong. Correct? Now, this was the best thing we should have entered. But when? After break of this high. Okay. Since this is a one-day candle, we have to wait. So guys, please please mute yourself if you are having some background sound, because it is disturbing other members. Thank you. Now, so at this level, since you are saying day time frame, you have to wait to see what is the exact, because many times it can be a false trade also, and the very next day this candle appeared. This is what? A kind of rejection. But if you see carefully, the strength of the rejection is what? Is it very strong? Is this candle very strong? No. If you compare these two candles, the strength is only 1/4. So still buyers can kill these sellers and they can move on. But since it is not broken, we still are waiting. Again, after that, next day it came all the way down. Okay, so should we enter into this? No, because this is in between. See, 2 times market has tried to take support, and again over here also still if it is broken, then we would have considered, but still here it is holding, it didn't broke, so we are still waiting. So either side we can enter. If this is broken, then we would have gone for sell side also, but next day also sellers tried, but they were not comfortable to break that. Now after that, see this carefully. 1 2 3 three times sellers tried, but they failed. Next day this candle appeared with good volume. This green candle has already engulfed this, so we would have taken the trade based on this level, because this is a support level after a trend. Okay, and after trend, if you see this, just a second. If you see this candle carefully, simple logic, buy above this, stop loss will be a few points low to this, and go ahead, take 1:2 target, because the logic is clear, volume is clear, double or triple support is there, so you can go ahead. And moreover, if you see, there is a good pattern called W which is already created over here, so these things you can consider. And see after that what has happened. We replay this. See, yesterday it broke like anything. Okay, so are we okay with, we have to judge the candle, what exact is the place where it is appearing. So if we see this red candle also, when this red candle appear, what has happened? It has eaten so many candles, the strength is very strong, so stop loss should be here. And on the low breakout, and again the next day, see this candle, this is strong rejection candle, so you would have entered and see a profit. This is one example where we should enter in Maruboju, which one we should consider and which one we should ignore. So are we good with this, ma'am? Are you did you got the point?
Yes, I got it, Mukesh. Just one more question. How do you filter out stocks to check? Because there are thousands of stocks.
Yeah, that is the good question. Very good question. See, to be very honest, I only have these stocks which are in F&O. Okay, these are the list I prepared once. I mean, once I have created this list, this is holding entire 200 approx stocks, I believe 200, some maybe 210 or something. Whatever the stocks which are in F&O, I have considered only those stocks and I have created one list. And every day, end of the day, I used to analyze each stock on day time frame, because I am a kind of positional trader, or I am you can say option seller. I prefer being option seller. Now everyone has edge. See, technical is for everyone. Either you become option buyer, you become option seller, you become future, you become hedger, for everything. I generally used to prefer to trade for option selling with hedging. Why that? Because I am a positional trader, so positionally anything can happen in night. Any news can come, any event can occur. In intraday it is okay, you guys are watching the screen, then that is okay. But in a position, you must ensure to have some kind of hedging while trading with options and futures. So this helps you a lot in terms of getting bankrupt or kind of thing. Okay, so some message. guys, please try to have mic, because it will be quite easy to interact and more people will also able to understand the query. So there is a query, in this case you will be sell put and buy OTM put. Now this is another big subject. There are many ways you can trade in option selling. There are several kinds of way you can trade, but mostly what I prefer, I used to sell somewhere nearest out of the money, that you can say nearest ATM, and I used to work with delta. So generally I used to, if we consider the nearest OTM is generally used to have 4 or 4.5 delta, and I used to hedge with either 2 delta or 1 delta depending upon the scenario of the market. Okay, but before that, that is the thing that in which way you are trading. But the before trading, first of all you have to judge in which direction you have to go. So for that you must be familiar with the patterns, with the candles. That is all about price. So I gave one, yeah, yesterday also I mentioned, see, yeah, day before yesterday I mentioned for ICICI and HDFC. Let's see HDFC. So I mentioned HDFC. Now if you see this, let's, any one of you have gone, if have gone through my video, I have already explained in that video that what is the logic behind going buy side or sell side. Why I am creating those videos, just to help you guys understand what is the logic for trading. What is the logic for trading on either side. Okay, so if you see this candle only, let's discuss about, this is the 5th April candle. In HDFC, if you see, this is the 5th April candle. See this. Just a second. I'm having some issue with my mouse. So if you see this candle, what the story is there? See this carefully. I'm zooming bit lower, smaller. See carefully what is happening. Don't you see there is a big breakout? But before this breakout, what has happened? Stock has spended so many days. So remember, the more time stock takes, the more powerful move will be there. It has spended almost 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 days. Approximately half a month stock has spended over here in this range, and it broke. Now why this thing happened? Because all these guys who are sellers have their stop losses. Those stop losses got triggered, and along with that, buyer also invested more money into this stock at that particular time. How we can know that? See the volumes, see carefully, volumes, it is already showing that from past 4-5 days continuous buying is happening. What does that mean? There are big players who are investing their money, and if someone is investing heavily, then there is something strong going to happen. And after that, you see stock is continuously running upside. See, so even if you entered over above this after break of this level, still you are having the strength till this was the target. Why? Because you see here, these are the stop losses, these are the stop losses, these are the stop losses. See, Getting the point why we should trade these. There must be some breakout. There must be some breakout. There must be some story. Are we good with this? Maru Boju? Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
we are good.
good.
Just one, we are trying to understand how you explain this type of structure form.
See.
Do you have any screener?
No, we don't require any screener. Now let me.
200, out of 200, how can I find out this good
Very good question. Very good question. So now let's discuss. See, there are only 7 minutes. After that, this session will expire. So rejoin with the same link. Okay. Once this session is expired, rejoin with the. We'll discuss. Now let's start. I'm doing in front of you all. Okay. Now you all guys see. This is the list. Just a second. This is the list already created. Now you guys tell me which one I open. One by one I will go with each and I will spend hardly 5-10 minutes, maybe 30 seconds or like that in each stock. Okay, so one by one I'll go with each one. Okay, just wait for a second. Some issue is happening with my mouse. Anyways, so I'll try one by one. Remember, I am watching on day time frame. The concept is same for every time. Okay, so I am starting with Z, that is zeal. Okay, one by one we will go. Now see this.
Okay.
Now see this. This is what kind of candle? Remember, on the first day I told everyone to select 2-3 candles. To make 2-3 candles as your friend when you are in a learning stage at the very early stage, first time. Since consider yourself as you are learning for the first time. Okay, so slowly you have to understand each candle, then go with pattern, then go with other things. So first you have to consider make your friend. So this is not my friend kind of candle. Why? Because neither it is bullish nor it is proper bearish. Half of the body is created and half it's not clear. So what I'll do? Ignore. Correct? Done. Analysis is finished. Now over here, see this. This is the level I generally used to create and leave that so that every time I don't have to work on. This is the voltage, and see carefully, this is the good one. The flow is coming from upside. Now here market is spending. Market means this stock is spending. How many time it has spended? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Remember, same story has happened in AU Bank. Same kind of pattern. Right now you go and check. Now over here what is happening? See,
Support.
yes, it is taking support. And to understand more, convert it into line for a while. What do you see? Don't you see W? I can see W. Can you guys see W? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Sir, everyone have to hammer. See, when you are seeing only one candle, that is a story. But if you have to see some kind of candle, so few candles, what I said, you have to first you have to see the candle, then you have to see the story. Story means the history. What is happening in behind from past few days? What has happened? What has happened? You have to understand that also. So over here you see this. Sellers tried from 2 days, but they were not able to break this. They were not able to break this. And again buyers are taking charge. So before a good move, they are they are collecting these from all the sellers. Those who are sellers, the buyers are buying their stocks over here at the lower price. So once it is there, they will do what kind of action? Similar to this kind of action. See this candle, green one. Before this candle, what story you can see? 1 2 3 4 5 6 5-6 days the consolidation was happened over here, and one fine day they killed everyone, and see they took the market till 931 in a very short time span. So you have to understand the magic. And again, if you see this candle, you see this is also kind of Marubaju, not the full one. But what has happened over here? They have downloaded huge volume, means they sold huge volume. Why? Because they would have entered here, or some of them have entered here, and at this level they sold their quantity, released their quantity, booked their quantity. So you have to understand the story. I'm taking time too much because I'm explaining, but for me it hardly matters. You go and see my yesterday video. I have put voltage for buy. I don't remember I have taken this one or not, but it is definitely a buy. And even if it fails, take a stop loss of this swing low and exit the trade, because every trade you cannot win. Now if you see this, I can show you M pattern. Let me show you. Can you see M over here? Can you see M over here? So how many times is left? Only 1 minute is left. So once this session got expire, you rejoin everyone. Okay. So try it. See, it is not an easy cake that you are going to learn in 1 or 2 sessions that yes, now you are expert in price action. But I am trying my level best from my side that you guys try to understand the small things. Yeah, I'll share the recording as well. Don't worry. Okay. But try to be in live, because you will learn more easily in terms of live rather than in terms of recording. So here you see this. This is a clear cut M. I can see M. This is a kind of pattern for trading, and for more understanding, see this. What has happened over here? This is a strong rejection candle. Okay, we waited here. Again next day we waited here because strength is not too good. But after seeing this red one Maruboju, up till here, what your brain is saying? Here market has spended a lot of. Okay.
Mukesh, one more question. You said you posted a video on this. On which channel did you do it?
See, my channel is Peaceful Investor. See, I have created one thing also. Let me. How can I post the link over here? Can I post in chat? Is it possible? Anyone know?
Yeah, you can copy the link and you can paste it in chat.
Okay. Just a second. I posted yesterday only. Just a second. Yeah, this is copy.
No, you can click on this forward.
Okay.
On the left side you have this
Forward.
message.
Okay.
You can check it on the group, select the group.
So I have shared that on that group already.
Okay.
But I cannot share this on this 9th batch group. Reason is that will be a kind of advertisement which I don't want. Okay, and there will be a wrong message in the team.
Copy the link and share it on the chat.
See, I have pasted here. So see, anyone can click this. Okay. So you guys need to just subscribe that, and every day I used to post and see this. Okay. Once you go through, try to understand the logic. You do trade or don't do trade, it depends upon you, but you try to understand what exactly I am explaining over there. because I'm not saying that this stock is going to go up, this stock is going to go down. No, I'm explaining the reason why that is going to happen. Why? That is the thing I wanted to know you all guys. And you guys can ask me, how come you are saying this? You're saying wrong. You can cross question me anytime via WhatsApp. I may not answer every time on the same time, but I will definitely reply. If you are having some questions, you already have my number. Okay, so now if we consider this candle, if we go for replay on this mode also, somewhere here, is it working? Yeah. Now consider you are on this day. Okay, what is this date? This is 9th March. Now consider you are seeing this on 9th March. What you interpret over here? What you can see? Assume that there is no more days so far. So if we see here very carefully, this is a very strong negative candle. Am I right or wrong? Hello? Okay, now first thing is my favorite candle. It is Maruboju, very good. Should I trade or not? So for that, what I have told, I have to see the history. So from past so many days means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 12 days, stock is at this level only. Why? If he wants to go, it should have gone. Why 10 days it took taking? Just ask yourself. See, if one wants to take the stock more higher, why he is spending so many days? Is he a fool? No. He is distributing, he is buying. So assume any one of you, let me take any one of you as a big man. So Manikam ji or Abhijit Sen ji. So this is a quite comfortable name I can pronounce over here. So assume Abhishek Sen ji is a big player with big money. We can say 1000 crore kind of guy. Now what he did, he invested 500 crore over here when the price was 776 and bought. Again he spent 500 crores of money over this at when price was 850. Now here he is in a good profit at this level, but since he have a huge volume, he cannot sell at once. So what he will start? He will start distributing slowly. He will release few. He will because he have to exit. He cannot exit immediately. So he spended some, exited till here. Again he spended some, he booked some, the price went till here. Again next day he also spended some, the price reached till here. Then he stopped and he bought again some few. So for example, from here till here he sold the stock for approximately 500 crores. Now he bought 50 crores again here. So 50 and he took back again the market till here, so that no one can understand what is happening in his brain. So you have to understand the logic. Every time you have to understand the logic. But again he started releasing his stocks in a bigger quantity. Now what is happening in retailers' mind? People are saying, oh, this was a retest and now it is about to break. It will break. But the story came here. This candle is not good. It is not saying something good that this stock is in the same bull run. So this means something is going to happen. So this is the place you have to be ready You can't jump into the trade, but you should be ready once this breaks on a smaller time frame. Smaller time frames means maybe 5 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. You are ready, then you enter, and your stop loss must be here, not exact on the high, but 1 or 2 or 3 points above to that level. Or big players, where do they keep SL? Somewhere here, the swing high, because they might come and take all the stop losses over here and they again pull down. Okay, so this is the thing. Now you know. So assume this is today is 9th, what is this date? 9th March, and I am creating YouTube video for my subscribers. What will I say? Guys, tomorrow if you see some break on a smaller time frame, maybe by 5 minutes or 15 minutes, you jump into the trade towards sell side, not towards buy side. And remember, stop loss is the king. If you don't have stop loss, then Jai Mata Di, I cannot help. No one can help. You give the money to the market and enjoy the thing. That's it. But the logic, I'm talking about the logic. This is, ma'am, now you are clear why, which one we should consider for trading and which one we should ignore. And see the magic. After that, you can see the replay. See.
Very clear. Thank
See,
you.
after this, see, this is a good amount. And now people will say, oh, no, you are telling on this day time frame. How come you can say? Story is same. Story is same. Even on 1 minute also, the story is same. Go for 1 minute, then your stop loss will be very small. Your target will also be very small. You go for 5 minutes, accordingly your target and your stop loss will get revised. You go for 1 day, accordingly your target and stop loss will be revised. You go for 1 week, story is same. So you have to understand the story. It is not that you just jump and go and take trade. No, you have to understand the candle. First thing, the candle. Second thing, the history. Where are you coming from? So imagine if you are going for a job interview. Assume I am going for a job interview and having 10 years of experience. I have mentioned that into that my resume, that yes, these are the companies I have worked. So the HR will see what is my history, what I have done, and where I am coming from. I am coming from TCS. Oh, then this guy has something big. He has spent 10 years. Oh, so what is that? So do you think if I am taking some X package, will I expect lesser than that package? No. So anyone saying something?
Okay, see, for
Yeah,
a
yeah.
small thing, like let's say there are these 200 stocks, right?
Yeah.
Do we need to scan all the 200
No.
stocks, or just
No.
at
No.
what percentage change?
No. You decide. You take two.
But based on what, like volume or percentage change, like
Based
if I-
on candle and pattern.
so I need to check all the 200 stocks for the candle and to check the candle and pattern, right?
So no, you don't have to go for 200 stocks. This I have created list for my comfort only, because I am a research analyst. So if you are a trader and if you want to go for the stocks only, you select 10. First you select 10 stock, then you filter 2 out of those 10. The 2 should be the best ones.
And
Okay.
then filtering criteria should be the pattern of candle and the setup, right?
Yes.
That's what, yeah.
What kind of pattern that is creating and what we should do. You don't need to trade 200 stocks. It is impossible. But
No, not
but
trade. I was thinking like generally what I do, I check for the volume or percentage change.
Go on. No. No need to see anything.
No
Am
need to
I
say that. Okay.
am I seeing anything? Did I ask anything to see? Any indicator, any volume, any OI, any future, anything I am seeing over here, because we are talking for price. Nothing else, and we don't need those things unless we are good to go with the with the candles and the patterns.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
It is painful to learn price, to be very honest, but once you are through with these things now, I guarantee you are going to make money. No matter what happens, you are going to make money. Definitely. And you write this word. You go and see. I have shared the link of my YouTube channel. You guys go and see each last 1 week, whatever the videos are there. You go and see. Then you see the logic I am talking about. And after that, what has happened in future, you also see that. And then you will understand, oh yes, this is the reason why this is happening. For example, if you see this candle, this red one, this is 12th January candle. Ma'am, can you see 12th January candle? Everyone, this one. What kind of candle is this? Strong Maruboju? Am I correct? This single candle has eaten how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Approximately 5 candles movement is eaten by this one single candle. So don't you think this is a powerful?
Multiple people from the team, like me,
Yes.
we are looking. Okay, see,
Guys, please mute yourself. Others who are not in discussion, please mute yourself, because others are getting disturbed. Please. Thank you. Yeah,
okay.
please.
See, the previous question is also the same, I think.
Yeah.
See, what we are looking is like, see, you have 200 list of stocks that you have prepared.
Yes.
Okay, for
Yes.
example, myself, I will prepare some 50 stocks.
Yeah, no issues. Go over that 50
Yeah,
only.
in that 50 stocks, I need to identify only 2 stocks which I need to trade tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. To identify those 2 stocks, shall I need to go in all the list each one by one?
Yes.
Or
Yes.
do we have any criteria?
Yes. No. You have to go. You have to spend your time with candles. Assume
Yes.
if you are,
That's what.
yeah, if you are a male, understand this is your friend, this is your girlfriend. And if you are a lady, understand this is a kind of your friend, boyfriend. Consider it. So what do you do with them? Consider you are in a college time. What do? You spend some time to understand each other. So this is a friend. Unless you understand to talk with these guys means this is the price candles. You will not achieve what you want to achieve in a speed. Before that, you will be stuck in your strategies, in your indicators and all the things. But once you start talking with these candles, I'm sitting in front of you, and still I can see the things, what is happening. See the same thing with every time. Let me show you. See this, what is happening. Just a second, let me see this use this tool. See this same thing is happening again and again and again and again, and you will understand that. Let me show. What are they? See this. What do you see similar in these 3 charts, 3 boxes? What exactly you see? These. Oh, sorry.
So one candle is eating the previous days, like 2-3 candles or more than 2-3 candles.
Yes.
That's what. See.
Number 1 is candle. The name of the candle, Maruboju. Very good. Is it coming? Is it appearing after a trend? Yes, it is appearing after a trend. Is it in opposite direction? Yes, it is in opposite direction. This is in opposite direction. Appearing after a trend? Yes, correct. Go ahead, Bindas. See, this green candle has formed and this is a kind of support level where this has appeared. This one single has eaten these two Marubozu candles. Once it has broken above, I will enter along with the stop loss, because my theory is perfect. I'm not seeing any volume, not seeing any indicator, not seeing any future data, option data, news, nothing. Price itself is speaking. The thing is, you have to understand what price is about to say. This itself, see, if you the third candle, this has eaten so many candles, very big one, very powerful, then definitely something is happening over here. This kind of candle is created when very big, huge amount of money is invested in the market. You have to understand. And such kind of power who have? Only the big players. Neither you nor me can do anything. Simple logic. And play the game. Okay. Now let me show you the same thing. Now you might be considering how I can see you. I am proving so many stocks. Can you please brief the few seconds how much you finished today? I didn't got your this message exactly what you want to ask. Mr. Dr. Susil, I didn't understand your query. Can you please brief with few seconds how much?
Mukesh, how much you have finished till now right now? You are talking about Marubozu or something else you're talking about? Like,
See, I'm
so that I
talking
can
about.
get the context actually.
See, we'll close this once this session is over, because I was about to take some other thing, but today itself people stuck in that Marubozu only. So this is the reason I'm explaining in deep. Now I'm talking about Marubozu, where we should take and where we should not take. Okay. So
Okay.
see, we cannot be in a hurry for more and more, because next candle is shooting star. This one, this candle, shooting star. So whenever you find shooting star after a trend or morning star just opposite one, then these candles are also very powerful candles. So we can see that. Let's discuss about. So hope Marubozu is clear for everyone. Are we good?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So
Okay.
one small question: if once I got the Marubozu, if I'm going to take a trade,
Yeah.
what should be my target?
Simple. 1:2. If you are doing scalping, that is on 1 minute, your target should be 1:1 only. If you
So
are,
if the Marubozu candle is if it is a big one, like if you see here on the day,
if it
13th,
no
February
no
13th,
no no,
yes.
if it is
Yeah.
very big, if it is very big, then you have to create short. You have to be half or something like that, because you cannot take this much of as a sell logically. Or even if you are not feeling that comfort, then leave it. See some other trade. It is not necessary that you are going to trade in this single trade itself.
Okay.
Okay. And everyone, including Dr. Saab, you asked me how much time. See, I am just trying to say that master yourself in one thing first.
Yeah.
I'm just this is a request, kind of request to all of you. You master yourself. You do 1000 trades. Do it on paper. Doesn't matter. Do it in replay mode. But you do the same thing 1000 times. And I guarantee you, everyone is going to say me thank you. Once you are comfortable with that, then start and search with the second candle. Then start and search with the third candle. But you have to spend that time with charts, because these are the people where you have to spend the time to go ahead and learn the things. Every time they keep on coming and coming and coming and coming. So why not we should master at least one. Then about regarding trading, try to limit maximum 2 to 3 trade in a day. No matter you are a scalper, you are a intraday trader, or you are on 5-minute trading, 15-minute trading, go for this only. Wait for your turn. If you can't wait, then there is a problem. For example, let me show you on Nifty 50. Same thing on smaller time frame. See, I am trying to explain, although I was about to teach some other topic today, but we already stuck in this only. Okay. Anyways, so over here, if you see this candle, this has already engulfed these two, very strong, and the moment it broke, see, it has gone. So things are same. We'll go for 5-minute Nifty. Now we are considering as a intraday. So we'll talk yesterday's only trade, and we'll see what has happened yesterday. Okay, now you can see this is the 5-minute candle every time. And remember, every time I used to say first 5 minutes you should not trade. Why? Because if you see carefully, first 5 minutes and next 5 minutes, they are opposite to each other most of the time. Every day you go and see. So even first 10-15 minutes you should avoid. Let the bigger players do what they want to do. Let the market get settled for at least half an hour or so, or 15 minutes. So if you see this is the candle we should have ignored. The next one is just opposite. Now if you see, the power of both are almost equal. It's not clear picture where market wants to go. Again, this is a kind of candle, but this is not our candle. So we waited. This is the Maruboju. Now if you see this is the good one. If you see this has come over here. Can I make in line chart? Yeah, till here. By the time till here, till it is 9:35, what do you see? This is a level, market came. This is a level, market came. Again market is over here. It can go up. I'm not saying it cannot go, but the thing is, you have to wait, let it break, then retest and then go. But did it do like that? No. Before breaking this line, because yesterday was the highest point, this. Okay, so before breaking this candle appeared. Now this is the beautiful candle. See carefully. Can you see M over here? I can see M. Let me show you how. See, everyone, can anyone see M? Is it M or not?
Yeah.
Now this is the first thing. Next one. Oh, sorry. Should we? Next one. This is the Maruboju, correct? This Maruboju is eating how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost 4 candles. Very strong. So we can enter on this. We can enter on this level. Or even we can enter on this level. Why? Because it is trying to retest once and then it will go. Market never ever go in straight direction. But even those who are safe players can enter below this level. Stop loss is bit high, I know, but since it is the starting, you have to consider the other factors. And once you are entered, see the magic, market fell. So even if you are taking one trade also, see, don't you think what is the risk reward? Let's see. At least 1:1.5 should be there. What, how much we have reached? I can't see. Can anyone see? Yeah, 1:2.9. Yeah, somewhere here, somewhere here. But for that you have to wait this much time. See, concept is same. This one single trade, for this single trade we have to wait for at least 5-6 candles, correct? Now even those who think that this is a big candle, okay, wait, see, this is the candle, it tried, but here see this, the strength is not there. Now this candle, these two candles, this was the support and it was broken. If you would have taken this one, this red candle also, because this is small one, this one, see, it's 1:1.7. I am saying 1.5. You have got that? Are we good? Hello everyone.
Yes.
See, try to understand the logic. Why I am not continuously changing the topic, because see, there are so many things in price action, so many things. But unless we master the first one, we will be just jumping like anything. Every time we are searching for something new, and in that scenario we will not learn anything and we will lose every time, because we need a confidence. And who is going to create that confidence? You yourself, no one else, not even me, because I am confident. Why? Because I have gone through these charts, I think more than 10,000 times. So because of those things, everything is printed in my brain. This is nothing but ABCD which we used to study in our early days. That's only the thing over here. Now coming to what 2-3 candles I prefer to work with is, the first one is Marubozu. This is the excellent one, the powerful one. Next one is Shooting Star. You go and see the shooting in my channel, you will be able to see there is a video on Shooting Star. You watch that and you will understand. Now there was a question, how do I need to scan 50-100 stocks? Now I am showing you the how I scan. You can also start according to that. So for example, if you see this, what do you see? This is what kind of candle is this? Anyone know this candle name? Hanging man. Correct. Okay, that's all. What does hanging man mean? What happens after that? Do you know? What is the high chance? No, there is a very high chance of falling. There is a very high chance of falling. Okay, now even if you are hungry, you started eating from here, you continuously eating. Do you think you have the capacity to eat too much after this without a break? You can eat more, but you need a break. You need to have some break. You need to have some sleep. But from here, see, there is no break at all. This is wrong. This is not the nature of the market. If it falls, it will fall like anything. Remember, 90-degree move is not good at all at any time in anything, whether it is upside or it is downside. Okay, so what if we see this candle on these levels? Then it is a good one, very good one. Again, if you see this candle, but it is appearing after a fall, so this is not the good one, not good for us. So let me show you silver. Some guy asked me for silver, so I gave the analysis. Let me show you. See this. If you see this candle carefully, see this one. This is the time of 2nd Feb. What kind of candle is this? Strong rejection. Can you see? Shooting star. Guys, come on, confirm yes or no.
Yes, definitely.
Now, number one. Number two.
Mukesh,
Yeah, please.
I mean, like the previous chart you were showing, na?
Yeah.
One doubt is there, like the
Yeah.
hanging man that I got to know, like the downtrend will start. But the thing is, over there also buying pressure was there, na? That's why the wick was so long over there.
Now, yes, this is a good question. Now, does chart 100% correct every time? Yes or no? No.
No.
Agar every time it's correct, then everyone will be the king. So what is happening at that level? Market is being taken hold over there, so that more people can come for buy, because everyone is not too much familiar with technicals. Even 90% people are not familiar with technicals. So even you also, because it's not it is hanging man, but it is not saying that currently jump for sell side. No, unless it breaks with good kind of candle. So for example, here also the same thing. If you see, this is the candle. Should we jump? No, because if you see the past, it has spent so many days consolidated at this level. It can, this candle can be false to show that yes, now selling pressure is there, and once people enter into this, they will again break this. See, remember, big players can do anything. They can change anything. Any technical things can be changed, manipulated. Okay, so you have to be ready for that, but not every time they will do the same thing. They will not do.
Hanging man, I think, needs a good follow-up candle.
Yeah, every candle needs good follow-up. Every candle need good follow-up. So for example, this was the candle. There is a good follow-up candle. Can you see this candle? This Maruboju?
Yeah, that's a confirmation.
Yeah. Moreover, if you see now, if you want more confirmation, you go for volume. See this volume. If you are not comfortable, wait. Let it break. See, it took 2-3 days, and again this broke. Now this was the 100% confirmation. You have to jump. See?
The SL is going to, Mukesh, the SL is going to very long for this.
No, for this one, your stop loss will be the high of this red candle. If you have entered on this candle, this green one, then your stop loss should have here. See, stop loss is your way where you are planning. You have to understand. You have to plan your stop loss. Okay. So try to understand. See, I'm taking you deep into the deep of the ocean. On that single class only. So far we have learnt only one candle, and that too is taking more than 3 hours. But believe me, the more time you spend with one candle, you will learn more. It doesn't matter. You master one thing, and I guarantee you, you are going to make money. And every day you are going to see at least one Maruboju on each time frame. Maybe it is 1 day, maybe it is 15 minutes, maybe it is 5 minutes, maybe it is 1 minute also. But accordingly, you have to plan your target stop loss. And you should be very fast. If you are not very fast in taking stop losses as per your plan, if plan goes wrong, then please don't trade, because it's useless getting taught from anyone. So first you practice, then you jump, and correct me if I am wrong. Today we have spent almost more than 1 hour. Now you guys tell me, do you want more to learn? Should I continue or should I stop, because we have only 1 minute?
Yeah.
So maximum vote I need from you guys right now.
Continue.
So Dr. Saab, I'll continue with the next topic today itself, okay? Because I was just trying to take deep Dr. Sushil Vishwakarma ji.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yes.
so my only one vision is there, only one vision, to help as much as possible to those who are not making money in this group. But for that you have to spend time with these candles, you have to learn. There is no other way. So we will continue. There is less minute, so I am disconnecting. You all guys rejoin. Okay. Okay, everyone confirm. Anyone can see my screen, chart screen. Is it visible? Silver?
Yes.
Okay. So I believe now today's you guys have learned good thing about Marubozu, where we should trade, where we should ignore. Now there is one more example over here. See, this is the Marubozu. It has engulfed this candle, but did it break the low? Did we get a chance to enter? No. Am I right? On this candle, on 5 December. Can anyone see this?
Yeah.
So this is the way you have, every time you cannot, if you are not getting chance to enter, then you have to wait. You have to wait. There is no other choice. You leave this product and see some other product. You leave this product and see some other product. Now coming to how I scan the charts. So I will show you how I scan chart. Let me scan you. So anyone start. It's time. See the time and how fast I am scanning you. It will be easy for you also. You guys also can do the same thing. The only thing is needs the practice, nothing else. Okay. Now see, I have given someone my view day before yesterday. What I gave him, see, this was the level. It was broken with volume. Okay, then it consolidated. So I told him, see, although there is a probability to fall from here, however, if it is consolidating and it is breaking either side, if it is breaking up, will go up. If it is breaking this Marubozu, it will go down. Now if you see here, this has broken. So see, silver, in a day itself it has gone. Now here what you can see, after this strong breakout, it spended 3-4 days. What does that mean? Distribution, spending time before moving either side. It can go up also, it can go down also. So be ready for that, wait for that. And it has shown itself that yes, I am breaking towards upside. And even in a single day itself, it is 17,5,888 till 76,927. Good move. See?
Mukesh, the zone which you have marked it actually.
Yeah.
Can you show how you have marked? Is it like Fibonacci or like how it is?
No. It's very simple. Let me show you how you guys can easily mark. Okay. I'm deleting this. In front of you, I deleted. Okay. Now the time is 1 day. So for better view, I am moving to 1 week so that screen can be shown to you guys. Okay. Now see, this is the silver. Okay. I am taking this because currently market is somewhere here. Imagine I was here on 13th March. I was about to read this. So how will I read? Simple. I will take a rectangle and mark maximum points touching. See, although at that time this was the case, so what will I do? Only extend that. See, can you see? Is it difficult? You have to just touch all maximum points. Minimum should be 2. Is it difficult?
So basically the wicks, all the wicks we are covering
Yes.
the
Yes.
rectangle, right?
Yes. Yes.
And that's a zone where it is actually struggling.
Yes, correct. Now if you see if you want to create another one, how we will create that? So we will simply, just a second, will you see this? See, now go to lower time frame, 1 day. Things are same. See carefully. There might be some small adjustment which can be done. So for example, over here I did small adjustment. See this? So if you see this here also, this stock came here, waited, again came here, didn't fail, again came here, didn't fail. So if you see here also, what is happening? If you see here, now I'm zooming it. So this guy took this seller took over here, but they were not able to break this. This zone must be broken, and after broken it should retest and go down. But no, see this, what kind of candle this is created? Rejection, morning star, pin bar, you can say. After that is a breakout. So this is very simple, very good. Jump it with the stop loss somewhere here or somewhere here. See the magic? See the magic? So even if you want to create more zones, very simple. You create this like this. Just a second. Today my mouse is giving me pain. The cell of this in my laptop is somewhere. See this. What has happened on this zone? Whenever it came, there is a rejection. After that only it created, and if it is broken, then it is gone. Is it very difficult to create zone? No. The only thing is you have to practice on the chart. Similarly I do, similarly you do. Now see this candle. See this candle. This is a very beautiful candle, this red one. This red one, what you see? After seeing this red candle, what do you understand? What is coming in your brain? This has reacted on the zone. Very big candle engulfs these two candles. So there is something going to happen. So you enter on this level and see downfall. It is, the technical is same in all the products, whether it is Bitcoin, whether it is gold, silver, commodity, stock, anything. Okay. Now we will start with another topic called shooting star. This is one of my favorite candle. The theory is same. You have to wait for, see this candle. You see this, I can zoom more. चल जा यार. Okay, see this candle. I am deleting this zone for a while. Okay, see this candle. This is a candle created after a rally. Okay, so once this is broken down, this candle itself is a Marubozu and it has broken down. See, there is a downfall. Correct or not? This is a shooting star. This candle is called shooting star. So simple way, every time, every kind of candle has some history. So remember, if you can create, you correlate the history, there must be a rally before this, and if it is appearing somewhere from where earlier fall was there, then this is a kind of reversal. So wait for the low break with high as a stop loss, and once it breaks, you jump and see the magic. Now I am sharing, I am stopping this, and now let's see who wants to do practical. I will guide. Anyone? Now I'm stopping sharing, and this time the candle will be shooting star. Time will be yours. Stock will be your. Who is ready for that? Because right now my mouse is also not helping me. So there is a scenario. I think the cell of this mouse has gone. So many time it is not helping me going down, and I cannot stop the relay right now because it will take time. So guys, tell me who is going to teach the entire team. Any one of you?
Well, Mukesh, I don't think I can teach, but I can point out another shooting star that is on the.
Yes. I need that only. I'll teach.
Yeah, that's I think 16th of November.
No. You share your screen. I'm stopping my screen. Okay.
Oh, can we work with your screen? Let me check.
I don't know. Can you? I think you can ask the remote with me. I have shared a remote control. Yes. Auto accept all requests. Just a second. Give mouse keyboard control to. What is your name, ma'am?
Meera.
Meera, ma'am. Meera Sunil. This is the name?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have given you the control. See if you can move.
Yes, I can.
Okay. So you have the free thing to do. I will also try. See here, over here, you have all the stocks. Okay. So you can choose whichever you want, and we all will.
I would prefer to stick to silver futures
Okay. Go ahead.
because I can see on 16th of November.
Okay.
After an uptrend, we can see this is a shooting star, right? It's
No, this is not a shooting star.
16th of
Now let's understand what is shooting star is all about. Shooting
Okay.
star must have 75% as a wick from entire. There should be only 25% body, or
Okay.
the more less the more good we are.
Okay. I saw that it's break.
Modak ji is saying shooting star on silver future 3rd Jan. Okay, so let's see on 3rd Jan. So okay, ma'am, you go to 3rd Jan.
Yeah.
Where it is?
3rd of Jan.
3rd of Jan. You can move the screen. I have left the screen. So this is a kind of practical we all are going with. So see, 3rd of Jan. 3rd of Jan. Are you able to? Or should I do? Wait. I'm
Fourth and just one.
3rd Jan. Yeah, here. It is 4th, it is 3rd. Just a second. 3rd, this is December, this is 6th Jan, 5th, 5th, 4th. 4th Jan, it is Maruboju. Sir, it is a Maruboju. Red candle, it is a Maruboju. It is not a shooting star.
Yeah.
This is a shooting star. This is 28 December. But now, if you see this, should we consider now here? Let's talk. This is a good one. Now, this is a good one.
Yeah.
On 28th December, it is a shooting star. Now, try to understand. It is a shooting star, and you can consider why. Because market is in downtrend, it took support, and after that it consolidated here. Again it showed rejection over here. So you can enter on the below of this low of this candle and see within 3 days it gave you at least 1:1.5. I'm damn sure. Correct?
Okay, so I mean, just a query, like when the shooting star is, it's occurring at the rejection level,
Yes.
it can give a target, but if it is occurring at the end of the rally,
No,
probably
it is
more
useless.
accurate.
It is useless. For example, if you see this one, this shooting star, this is not valid one. November 30. If you see November 30, somewhere here, this one, this is a shooting star. Can you guys identify? I am creating a arrow. Keep trying to understand what exactly we are discussing over here. This will help you a lot. Now if you see this candle on 30th November, should we consider as shooting star? No, because if you go through the history, the rally has already gone. Although it has gone down, but this is not the perfect one which we are searching for. Always try.
We also have a history. If you can see, there is one on November the 2nd. It's taken support and gone up.
Just a
So
second.
that's the reason.
November 2nd is a Marubozu, ma'am.
Not second, third, I guess.
Third.
From
Third.
where
No, third is not a not a shooting star.
No. What I'm saying is we cannot consider this shooting star on 20.
Yes, you are right. I got your point. You are saying that this is on the support level. See this?
Yes.
Very good,
Yes.
very good catch. See?
Yeah.
However, there is other trade which we can consider. What? This support is broken by this Marubozu. This Marubozu. We cannot consider this shooting star. However, we can trade as per Marubozu. It has gone down and it has gone down. Although we should not trade this one also, because the trend has already given a good rally. So the strength of going down will not be that much. So always try to find the big one, the good one trades, which has a good rally, which has a good scope of rally. Okay.
This color of this shooting star also matters.
No. The location of that shooting star matters. What I'm saying, the location means at what place that is appearing. So imagine if you are buying a shop in a mall. What is this? Can everyone see screen? Hello?
Yes, we can see.
Okay.
Yeah.
So some setting appeared, so I thought that something has gone wrong. So I was talking that if you are buying a shop in mall, and if you are buying a shop, a place where no one is there, very far away from the locality, in a small village, or maybe the location is too far away from the normal public, where public rarely visits. So which one is the worth? Of course the mall one. So the shop is same, the location has difference, so accordingly the result will be difference. Okay, so what else? Let's move on. See this one. There is a small rally, buyers were not able to go, and at this level, if you look behind, see this as a rejection, and the moment it broke like anything.
14th June also, I think.
14th June. This is not
Yeah, before that.
this one.
Candles before that. No, before that.
This one.
Yeah,
Okay.
this one.
Yeah, I understood. But this, see, if you see this is a very small candle, very small candle. So we should, this one is good one, this one is good one, but this one is not good one. Why? Because see, the strength is not that much. So you have to see that thing also. Yes. So you should not always trade every candle, no matter it is shooting star, it is Marubozu. You have to understand the strength of that candle, the location of that candle, the way candle is appearing. If you can do that, then you're good. See this one, this is a good example.
Yeah.
See, and see this, it didn't got hit also, and if someone have holded, then he would have got good one. Getting the point? So it doesn't mean that every time we can hold this much of trade. It depends upon trader to trader how experienced the trader is. So according to the experience, the more experienced you are, the more you will hold the trade. Now see how easily we are able to learn the second one. Because of the first candle, same thing is happening every time. See, same thing is happening every time. So we move more. Let's see. Always try to see if it is appearing somewhere around. See this resistance zone. See this? Can you see this? Can anyone see this candle? Hello?
Yeah, yeah. The good one. Yeah.
So see after that what has happened. Now forget about silver. Tell me any stock you want to tell. Name from F&O only, because I will not add new one. I am comfortable. Any stock. You say any stock.
Let's say TCS.
TCS. Okay.
Yeah.
TCS is here. Let's see TC in TCS also. We'll find the shooting star. Now ma'am, can you you have to, someone have to scroll my screen. So for now I'm doing that. See, this is 28th Feb. Okay, 28th Feb. There is a shooting star. But after that, did we entered on this level? No, but we would have marked a low and we would have waited, and once this low is broken, see, because this shooting star, after this shooting star there was a long hold.
But it's already appearing after a downtrend, right?
No, but not too much, because if you see the rally, okay,
Yeah.
if you see the rally is too much. It came here, now you understand here, it came here, it tried to break, but was not, so buyers took back. What is our golden rule? We have to wait. So once it is broken, see, this is broken by this Marubozu, red one, and at this level only earlier there was shooting star. So although this is invalid, we cannot say that we are waiting for this shooting star, but we can consider this Marubozu. Now let's see if anything else is
So
there.
a shooting star at a resistance zone is better to enter.
Yes, and this shooting star is on support. If you see this trend line is a kind of support. So this is a kind of support, so we cannot trade even but this shooting star, yes, shooting star is in downtrend, yes, and it is waiting on support. That's why we didn't enter. That's why we didn't enter. Okay. Now, is there any, can anyone figure out? Now let's see more.
See.
This is very small. We cannot consider this one. This is very small. See? So we will find more. We'll find more. Yeah, this one. This one is good. See this. See this. This is the shooting star. Okay. Now here what has happened? Consolidation. Market tried to break this structure. Structure means this zone, but was failed. So at the break of this low, see, market has gone down. So logically how market works, if you see on the line chart, what happens? If something is broken, it will one time try to retest that level. One time it will try to retest, and if it fails, then it will go down. This is the nature of the market. Okay, so we can understand by candles that yes, this is the time we should enter, this is the time we should ignore. So this tried at this level, but it failed, and the next day it failed. Then see the low, after breaking of this low, you just enter. Just enter. See, it fell. I'm not seeing too much in this candle. So can we consider some other stock? Any stock? Oro Pharma. Let's see on Oro Pharma. Yeah, this has too many things. Okay. Now see this. This is a good one example. Very good one. See, there is a rally, non-stop rally. So do you think we should what? Hello. Anyone saying something? Hello. Hello. Okay. I thought someone is saying. So you see this. This is a very good one example. Very good one. Now what you guys see and what does your brain say? What we should do? What is your view after seeing this candle? This is the latest chart.
Maybe it is a shooting star and we can expect a downturn.
Not exactly. Why? Because if you see this is in a strong uptrend move and it has reached till here, and there are stop losses of few peoples over here also. So when it has tried till here, it will definitely try till here 614, so that all the sellers stop loss could have been hunted. Now, so should we wait till here? No, we can enter still now also. If we see any follow-up candle closing down to this candle, we can enter for a downtrend
Yeah, right.
up till this black line. This is this up till this trend line. As this, what will happen? It will try to go down up till here, then it will rebounce again like this. Getting the point? So we can consider it. Now
But it is a little late in the rally, right?
it is in the late, sorry,
It is a little late to enter.
no, we are entering for opposite direction. Shooting star, we are talking about shooting star, means we are expecting that this will fall.
It will come down. It will
Yes, yes, yes. And this is the perfect one, but the only thing is still the buyers have more control. If you see here, still it is not red, still it is not that much strength having as a shooting star. Now you see this candle, this is a shooting star. Few days it hold, and this candle confirmed that no, now I'm ready for a downfall. See, after that the thing has happened. See, this is the shooting star. So every time you see shooting star, you see the history and the thing is done. So we will consider so far only these two candles and do at least 100-200 times. See this one, see this one. You have to understand where the candle is appearing, what kind of candle is that, should we trade or not, should we wait or not. We should always wait for a break. We should not just see a candle and jump. This is a shooting star, almost, not too much but almost, but we should have entered only below break of this candle. If it is not, see, this one is the good one, this one, this candle, see this candle. Yes, Anji.
Like yesterday's rally was there in Bank Nifty.
Okay,
If you check it at 2 p.m.
let's see.
Yeah, just check it out. It is not shooting star, but Depson Doji is there. But it has like completely dropped it, like completely it has went opposite.
Bank, let me. On what time frame, sir? 5 minutes?
15 minutes. 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
2 p.m. Yeah, 15 minutes.
Let's see. Let me see, because I have not. I generally don't trade intraday, to be very honest. But the technical is always there. So you are talking at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. is this candle. Okay. This is a shooting star, correct? This is a shooting star. Now, yeah, very good one. Now let's understand what is happening over here. This is a shooting star. You are talking about this candle only. Right, yeah.
Yes, correct. It is.
Now you tell me, do you think any follow-up candle downside?
It's
No,
not
there is no follow-up candle downside.
There is no bro, it is not broken. Then how I can jump, sir?
So we need to continue with the same rally.
Yeah. Just give me 10 seconds. Just give me 10. Yeah, okay. So now you understand.
Yeah.
You can see, if we are not getting any breakup at least in 1 or 2 minutes, how we can enter? No, we cannot enter. Now this is again the shooting star. The same story. There is no small breakout follow-up. Again we are not getting. So how we can enter? Even on a 15-minute, how many trades we can get? See, this is the shooting star. See this one. Let me show. Can you see this? This is the high, so we can consider it as a stop loss. Just a second. And if you have entered on this, don't you think you have made money? Sir, first shooting star.
Yes.
So what I said, you try to take only 1 or 2 trade. Maximum 3.
has broken the low. Trade.
डेमो तो चाहिए लेकिन मैडम कल जो आपके यहाँ हुआ है, तो हमारे
Okay, so what exactly is happening? Now let's talk about Marubozu. So if you see if you consider this trade here, it is over. Now we are talking about Marubozu. So which one is perfect one? This one. Why? Because this is being formed after so many times spended market time spended from in this zone, this area. So there are so many stop losses over here waiting. So, and I always say, always keep stop loss little bit lower. Never keep stop loss exact on low. So see this, the strength, it came back, then again it started, and see the rally. And anyways, where we will enter? We will enter somewhere here at this level, because we need the Marubozu breakout a little bit upper land. So here this candle created, then it just touched and started falling down. So anyways, we were not into this trade. Again this candle appeared. Now this was the perfect candle. Why? Because see, stop losses has been hunted already. Now big player are ready for a big rally. Whenever you see something like this is called, what I say, नहीं मैं आ रहा हूँ, आ ही रहा हूँ बस. Whenever you see this kind of thing, this is called, I have named it as a sandwich. So whenever there is a kind of sandwich pattern, be ready for that. You guys do homework. Try to see these kind of thing. Can you see this? This is a kind of sandwich. And after that, the rally is already there. And you cannot capture the entire rally. I'm damn sure you cannot capture. Okay, sir. So today we learned Marubozu more deeper. We learned shooting star. It works depending upon the situation. So you guys, please try yourself. Post as much as possible your homework to me. Ask 100 questions with me. I am ready to help you out on chat. I mean on WhatsApp. And we will see more classes in future also. I am just trying to help you all, guys. Okay. Generally, I used to trade very less, and I used to guide people in terms of advisory. So as I am a stock broker, sub broker, I have Angel One and Master Trust franchisee. So anyone, if you feel need any help in terms of Demat account also, you can connect to me.
How much is the charge like broking this?
See, in
what is the
Angel,
how much it is?
in Angel, there is 20 rupees per trade, which I cannot help in any way. However, in Master Trust, I can get brokerage down up till 3 rupees, 5 rupees, depending upon how much quantity you guys trade. So I have the authority to talk with higher levels in Master Trust, and there I have good connections. I can get cheaper cost of brokerage, and everything is good one. There is no as such thing which has happened yesterday in Finvista. But it totally depends upon you guys. If you wish, do let me know. If you are comfortable, continue with whatever you are doing. Okay. So this much is for today. Anything else you guys want to know? And at last, yeah, please.
Can you share your YouTube channel link?
Yeah, I have posted that right now in chat. So I think I have posted that. See this. You go, this is one of the video. You can subscribe, and every day you will see there are so many lot of things. You go and see the shooting star also. You will learn too much. Okay. Now before the session goes out.
Sir, can I speak, sir?
Yeah, please, please.
Sir, somebody needs scanners. You can go to chatting.
Yeah, you can go. But why do you want scanner? Don't go for scanner.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Before finishing, you guys please confirm the rating. 5 is the maximum and 1 is the less one. You can post in the group because session is about to finish.
Now, Mukesh, one doubt was there, like, I'll ask.
Yeah, please.
Like, people check it like in Bank Nifty only.
So if you have doubt, rejoin. Everyone rejoin. So now you confirm your query.
Hold on, I'm joining from my laptop.
Okay, no issue.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Can you give me the access to show the card? Like, which one I am?
Okay, what is your name?
Dr. Sushil.
Okay, I'm giving you. I have given you the access.
I'll share it out.
Yeah. Yeah, can you? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying it out. The option.
You are sharing your screen or you are sharing my screen?
I want to share my screen.
Okay, so then I have to stop.
What
Okay.
I want to.
Okay.
Yeah, what I want.
Now you can share.
Yeah. Good. Still, it is host disabled participant screen sharing actually.
Just a second. Where I can. Yeah. Where I can enable. I cannot see anything.
Click on my name and click on my name over there. Like
Okay.
you'll be getting some options. I think.
Yeah. Make host. I am making you host. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Now you are host.
Yes. Perfect. Now my question was.
Now yes, you can share your screen.
On 1 hour time. Like here
Yes.
I had caught the move actually. On fib level I had caught the move from here.
Okay.
Like this was my support zone.
Yeah.
On daily time frame, like daily time frame, I had made the fib level over here, and I
Okay.
had caught the move till here, like.
Okay.
previously.
Okay.
Then yesterday also it happened to be same, like here it has passed it out.
Yeah.
This move, like. Yeah.
Okay.
And after breaking over here, this candle I had caught it over.
Okay.
Now my question was like, my question is
Mm-hmm.
exactly if you see on 1 hour time frame,
Yes.
nice candle it has formed.
Yes.
And this is completely Marubozu, am I right?
Yes. Correct.
No, like 15-20 minutes back, we were talking like, 15 or 15 minutes.
15 minutes. We were on 15 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, 15 minutes. You're talking about that reversal can happen over here, like in
Yes.
Nifty or Bank Nifty. You were talking, I think.
No, it was Bank
Nifty.
Nifty. It was Bank Nifty.
Bank Nifty on 15 minutes. So, sir,
Yes.
how can you say like a reversal is possible? Like I didn't get. Still, I'm not getting that.
See, we were
I'm
talking.
seeing on a larger time frame.
No.
When I'm seeing
No.
on larger time frame.
Yeah, you can see at any time. What candle we were talking for reversal was? What was that? Shooting star.
Shooting star.
So where
Yeah.
can you show me shooting star over here? No.
No, it is not there. Yeah.
Then how we can say
shooting star
shoot?
is
Yeah. So whenever reversal, when we expect reversal at shooting star, but when
correct,
there is
yeah.
no shooting star, how can I expect reversal, sir?
Correct. Yeah.
So what
this
is your
going to
question now?
basically buy on dip market time? Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Now suppose it is falling also. It is testing this level, so again we can buy on this dip. Am I right?
No, you are wrong.
This should be my logic for the trade, or how it can be.
No. It is falling. You cannot enter right now because what is the time? It is the time to close the market.
Okay.
So when the
I'm
market is
asking, like,
closing,
what I have done, sir, I'll tell you. Like what I have done is I have taken BTST based on this breakout.
that is okay.
Complete channel breakout.
That is
Yeah,
okay.
A complete channel breakout was happened nicely. So
You
now
see,
suppose
your BTST is very correct. You go convert it to one day. Convert time frame into 1 day and see the magic. What kind of candle you see here? What kind of candle do you see here? What is this
Margos
candle?
only?
Yes.
Yeah.
Whenever you go for BTST, always remember to see on day time frame.
Okay.
Always remember.
Okay.
So this is a strong Marubozu. You can go for BTST.
Yeah, strong.
However,
Go
you
for
should go for with hedge. As any bad news came, it can reverse also. Not every time, but sometime it can happen. It's a stock market.
Okay, got it. Like,
So I believe I answered your query.
yeah. Got it. Clear.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you guys can ask any number of questions. I am happy to help. I am happy to answer whatever I know. And the more you spend time with charts now, more you are going to learn and enjoy the thing. I always focus on candles.
So, sir, how you basically trade on intraday? Like, you don't trade on intraday also.
See, what is the motto of trading? Let me answer your question. What is the
To make
motto?
money. To make money.
Correct.
To
So
make
is it important to make 1 lakh rupee 1000 time I need to trade, and for the same 1 lakh rupee if I trade 10 times, which one is comfortable for me?
10 time is fine.
So I follow the same. You answered my question. You question your question. You answer yourself. What we are working on. It's very simple. I generally used to go for option selling with hedging. Peacefully. You understand the price? Let the market do. Take some time and enjoy the profit. Why to run? Why to take too much pressure? Yes, I have to jump on this trade. Oh, I missed this one. Oh no. This. Oh, just wait for 5 minutes. Even I cannot drink a coffee in a proper way. And there are many times when I have to visit to several clients to explain all the things.
Sir, you are into option selling. Mostly into option selling?
I am into future hedging also, option selling also, and option buying also, but option buying very less.
Okay.
Because option selling has more edge compared to option buyers. System is same, but the thing is little bit of yeah.
Yeah, I understand option selling.
Yeah.
But mostly I'm more interested, more keen towards option buying actually.
So if you are expert enough, go for buying. If you have time, go for buying. It is my problem that I have limited time.
Yeah, got it.
Getting the point. So everyone has some or other issues with their life, and as a sub broker, I have to see the clients also. I have to check some issues is happening or not. Or generally the issue doesn't come, but sometimes some queries are there. Client want to meet or something like that, or some references I used to get. So at that time, I am more focused because business growing is more better than trading. I'm trading only one, but I'm focusing, I'm training people. So once you are trained, imagine you are my client. So will it be easy for me to take your account and trade, or rather than to teach you and make you trade yourself? My half of the work is done. You are trading, I'm relaxed, my brokerage is there. Correct? Hello?
Yeah, I do agree. Yes. Yeah, I do
Okay.
agree.
So this is the simple logic. I know many things. What I do, I used to educate people from my YouTube, but the thing is, people are not interested at all in learning. To be very honest, see how many people are there to learn. Now today came how many people? 16 people. So what do you know by this?
So
But
you are
people
teaching
already
me
know.
I really like it.
People already know that if they are good enough. Why should we learn? Why should we learn? Then I cannot beg and say that please come and join and read, study with me. No. Still I used to do whatever I can do. I try to help as much as possible. 2 hours we have spent it, and I believe something has been learned today.
Thank you very much for conducting such a nice session.
Thank you so much. So everyone, I request to post your valuable feedback on that 9th batch group, so that more people can understand, yes, we are doing something important.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so it was nice session. Thank you to all of you for joining, spending your time. We'll do more things like similar like this. Just only thing is you have to practice yourself. There is no one who can help you. If you help yourself, things will be better. Okay, by this note, saying thank you to all of you.
Some good
Yeah.
books is there.
No need to read any book. Don't read any book.
No need?
No need. Read as much as possible the charts. Talk with them. Talk with the chart. Why this is happening? Why this candle is here? Why not there? Who made this candle over here? The things you will correlate and you will enjoy the things.